What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. JT here with Team SxS Motorsports. Today we have a customer, Jay, brought his U-Force 1000 in for a KFI plow system. And one of the common questions I always get asked when selling these plows, whether it's a Denali or a KFI, people want to know exactly what's, in each kit. So this is going to be for the 72-inch steel KFI kit. So I want to cut it open, just show you what components are in the push tube box, and then we'll bring the plow over and I'll show you exactly what comes in the plow itself. So on the push tubes here, pretty much just your standard setup. You're going to have your push tubes, some hardware, nothing much more than that. So I'll flip this down here. So in here you're going to have your instructions. You'll have your hardware package. That's for all your tubes and all the hardware. And on the KFI, it comes fairly assembled. So I'll cut this open here, just give you guys a quick look. So this is going to be your main push tube assembly. So your blade's going to mount here, and obviously these go up to the unit itself. So in your hardware box, you'll have your pins for the machine, everything to hook up this to the actual plow. You'll have your springs that run up to your blade, as well as some other hardware. Your ears that go here. And then you'll have the bracket, I guess, for wherever you're going to put your hook. So once it comes down to the machine, there's a few different locations where you can go ahead and mount this hook in different positions. So that's pretty much what's included with the push tubes. So now we'll hop on over to the plow and I'll show you what comes with the plow. All right, so the next box you're gonna get in the kit is obviously your plow blade. So this will be the blade itself, your cutting edge, all that stuff. The only thing that differs from machine to machine is the actual mount, obviously, that bolts to the machine. So the push tubes and this are the same for all KFI 72-inch steel plows. It's gonna be the same for 66-inch, just obviously a shorter blade. So let's cut this open. I'll show you what comes in this one. All right, so when you first open the box, this is pretty much everything without taking anything out of it right now. This is how it comes. So what you'll see over here is you'll have your instructions. You're gonna have your plow feet and the brackets. Looks like you also have the washers and the spacers that go in there. So that's about everything for the bottom of the plow. All right, now the blade itself. You're gonna have some packaging. KFI comes with the cutting edge already pre-installed, and then you'll have your snow flap and your hold down bar, as well as the hardware that goes along with it. So you just have to bolt that up to this, and you'll have your flap on. That's already done. Then this goes ahead and mounts right on over to your push tubes. I believe on the poly plows, they include the markers. I believe they come with the poly blade, but on this one, they do not on the steel. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're ordering them, depending on which kit you go with. But that's it as far as your blade and your push tubes for all of the KFI steel 72 and 66-inch plows. That's everything that's included. Hope that helps you guys when making your decision on what plow to get. This is a great plow system. We sell a ton of them. We sell quite a few different brands of plows. So if you're looking for one, give us a call at 914-799-5558 or check us out on the web at teamfasmotorsports.com. And as always, we appreciate you guys watching. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and click like, subscribe, share it with any of your friends if they have questions. As always, you can drop us a comment if you have any questions or if you need us to contact you for a quote, and we're happy to do so. Also, you can always check out our merch at fasmerch.shop. Help support us. And again, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.